Hi guys, this is day number 73 of my 365 Livestream challenge. Why I'm so happy on this live stream? It's because it's 73 and this is exactly 20% of my 365 Livestream challenge, and I'm doing this daily without skipping a single day for 2 months now, even a bit more, a bit longer. It's 20%, it's like 73 days. So that's why I'm celebrating like crazy right now. I'm really happy that I achieved that small milestone, and in front of me is still 10 months, but that's 20%, it's fifth part of the year, so I'm really happy about that. So we decided to celebrate a bit, and because of that I'm going to share now my screen and share with you our best, the most successful case study that happened with us around 1 year ago. So right now you can see the screen, the slides, and I prepared a couple of slides for this short live stream. And you know, like when it comes to the success of our projects, we have 3 criteria. Like we call it project triangle with software. Scope, quality. Second triangle component is like the angle is the budget, and third one is deadline. So we think that like first 5 years of our agency we were hit or miss regarding the scope and quality, but after that it's not a problem anymore, and so we don't put this a high priority. That's must to have. It's not just necessity, just we don't even speak about this, we just have it included, built in into our DNA in our agency. Then the second one is like the budget, and we are working on over the last 3-5 years we are working mainly with business owners, serial entrepreneurs. So for them it's not the point to get something the cheapest as possible. Usually they are trying to get something good in the middle of the market ranges, prices, something that and usually our ideal client profile can afford us without any problem. So usually it's not a matter of money, a bit more, a bit less, right? So we don't worry about this that much. We usually promise the budget, it's okay for our client, and then we just try to be within that range we have promised, what we promised. And so that's why I think that the most successful projects that we deliver are delivered on time. Some of these projects are pretty time sensitive, they need to be on time on the market, or that agency or that company needs that software automation pretty urgently. So and even in our weekly scorecard we put the deadline as the highest criteria in the group of metrics that we call fulfillment, delivery, and client success. So deadline, when we do things on time and of course they are of good quality, we think we are doing well for our clients, and we think that our clients are happy. That's why we here for today I put the project the most successful from the perspective of deadline. So let me just go over a couple of slides real quick. We still have a couple of minutes. So the project name is To Do Digital. It's from education space. Like about a year ago, Maria Soldar came to us. She's digital marketer, author, and serial entrepreneur. She's founder of Evo Agency, a lot of many projects and businesses. And at that time, they've been teaching digital professions their customers and the students, and they've been using some third-party software platform. I don't remember exactly the name, but it was Kajabi or Entry Trainings or something like that, and they were not happy with that, so they wanted to develop their own custom-built software student online platform, and we built for them this student dashboard that has courses and a lot of bunch of different stuff, and it also has employers cabinet, job boards, so that student can kind of learn the stuff and then find the job for that stuff he or she just learned, and admin console to manage it all. So we develop it all for them. Also, we managed to onboard 2,000 students in within the launch, first week of the launch, and you can see this highlighted area. Now the platform has 10,000 paying more than 10,000 paying students, and also within that project time frame, we had to load, test it, and scale it to 10K online users. We have the graph here, the low-cost software that we've been using for load testing. So at that time it was more than enough. So it was also part of initial scope. And you know, all of this happened just within 6 short weeks. That was our shortest, the sweetest project from the deadline perspective. How we've been able to do this? This is exactly the timeline. We did the workshop 1 week. The planning workshop was part of these 6 weeks. Actually, we did the design, we did MVP development, and also we did final preparation, load testing, and launch within 1 week. And added 1,000 on board 2,000 first students within that last week, so it was all together. Now you would ask, Vital, you're saying it's 6 weeks, but here we have workshop 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 7 weeks. Yes, but design and MVP started at the same time. When we finished the workshop, we asked designers to do the work, but also in parallel, developers been developing the database architecture, setting up the database demo instance, setting up a bit of production. So we've been preparing the backend infrastructure foundation. So we've been doing this in parallel. That's why at the end it was still 6 weeks. The team here was team of 8 members. We've been working super hard and super focused on everything, so not missed anything. We didn't have much time for bigger errors. So we had 3 full stack developers, business analyst, project manager, quality assurance manager, manual tester, UI UX designer for the web app, and we have a DevOps system administrator doing scaling and setting up demo and production instances. And at the end, we delivered 1 week sooner because we planned to deliver 6 weeks project, and because we had 1 week workshop, we thought we'd do this 7 weeks, but we delivered in 6 weeks. And also the budget, I don't have permission to tell exactly the budget, but it was 15% cheaper than initially planned during the workshop. And there were no major issues, because sometimes when you doing something in rush, the release will be horrible, and we had this before, but this one has only minor things to fix here and there, no major problems. So yeah, this is the case. It's our best, the soonest project that we did, and on board is so many paid users straight away within the MVP launch, and it was our big win. So we are very proud of this case. Now, if you want to be like To-Do, if you want to launch some internal tool or some software to sell to your existing clients, and you are not sure how to do this or how much time it will take, just approach me, direct message me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or on the platform where you're watching this live stream. I'll use the contact details on this slide to contact me, and we will reply within 1 working day. Thank you for watching. I hope that is useful for you to see how fast, how soon some agents can launch the MVP. It's not you don't need 1 year or 2 years to wait for something to see. And thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, and remember, people